Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Ordinary Sulfur 10% Powder to Cream Concentrate. This product retails for $9.90. Out of all of the skincare launches I've seen for a while, this one seems to be the most exciting. I am a huge fan of sulfur for acne because it has an ability to dry up the zits without using any harsh actives, and also can have an anti-inflammatory property to it as well that kind of helps take out some of the redness. Sulfur is one of my favorite ingredients. I have loved so many sulfur spot treatments, so many sulfur products, most of which have been discontinued. I'm hoping the Ordinary will not follow that track. First of all, because this is such an innovative formula for a great price point as well. This is a powder to cream. Never tried a texture like that before. This is also a great price point for a spot treatment. Looking very promising. Let's see how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Highlight ingredient is 10% sulfur. They keep it very simple with the ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go check out the full ingredients, or I've also left them in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include how effective is it? How long does it take to work? Sulfur is a very fast-acting ingredient to treat acne. I want to see how it compares to some of my favorite sulfur spot treatments. Like I said, most of them have been discontinued, mentioning Naturiums and Starfaces, both of which are not on the market currently, which I absolutely hate. But either way, I am still going to be seeing how this product performs. Very excited for this review because I feel like it speaks personally to me and my skin concerns. I have a lot of high expectations for it. As for anything else, we continue to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. Not that I'm manifesting that I get acne during this trial, but I do hope I get to put it to the test. I'm very lucky right now that skin has been doing pretty well, and see here though, I'm struggling with a little breakout right there. It's kind of healed, it keeps coming back, so I am going to apply it to that today just to show you the texture. I'm also likely to get a zit or two during this trial. Like I said, not claiming that, that's just how my acne works. I'm also going to be testing this product for its ability to reduce oil production in some areas, and also just kind of target this on some areas where I'm struggling with acne, texture, various different skin concerns. I've never tried a product with this texture before, and I felt it comes out as a pure powder, and then immediately, which most of it just left my spot, but immediately becomes a cream kind of drying product, but it is supposed to be. I'm gonna do a better application of that because that was kind of pitiful. Okay, it's a powder. So there it is, and then once you start rubbing, it becomes kind of this unique, it's almost cream-like, but it's not heavy at all. It doesn't leave any finish. Definitely feels like a typical sulfur product. If you've used the Naturium sulfur spot treatment, it feels very similar to that. I feel like this product is going to be so beautiful underneath makeup. I feel like it's going to help reduce some oil production with zits. I'm taking this on my left hand and just applying some right there. Actually applies pretty nice. I was worried about that. Is more of a kind of powdery product. No sensitivity, no stinging. I love also how simple this ingredient list is, and sulfur is a known good ingredient for shrinking zits. It's a very underrated spot treatment for acne and treatment in general. Smell is not the best, but comparing it to other sulfur treatments, not bad. I feel like the Naturium was very potent with the smell. The Starface, very potent with the smell. I mean, if you rub your hand up to it, then it's gonna smell, but other than that, on the face, I don't smell it one bit. I think the delivery system kind of helps that a little bit. I'm really hoping I will see great results. It doesn't leave any finish once you finish rubbing it in. This is gonna be perfect for more oily skin types, but I mean, any skin type with acne, unless you're just really dry, I feel like would benefit from this, but oily skin, really excited to see the benefits, really excited to see what I notice in terms of results. Of course, I'm not struggling with acne when I film this, but I will keep you posted during this review on how it performs. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I did get some acne while trying out this spot treatment. Within the first 2 to 3 days, it was clearing up and drying up my acne. And I can safely say this has become my favorite spot treatment, but that is also coming from someone who has a personal love for sulfur. This is an ingredient that I have seen being taken off the market so much, and I've never understood why. But even then, I used more liquid sulfur treatments. I feel like the powder to cream really enhances the performance of this product and also helps cut back on some of the smell. Now, if you get a zit around your nose, that is still going to be a problem. If you directly apply it to around your nose, it is still less than other sulfur spot treatments that I've tried, but it's sulfur. It's gonna happen that you have a little bit of a bitter smell with it. I do like though, like when I was applying it on the zit that I had in the check-in and anywhere else around my face, my forehead, used to with other sulfur spot treatments, I could smell it. This, I couldn't smell at all. I also feel like it helped dry some of the acne that I was experiencing faster because of the powder to cream formula. It is a little bit of a unique sensation. I did start wearing some concealer to kind of hide some of the breakouts day to day. I can confirm it performs well under makeup. However, it is something that feels a little bit sticky. Give it a little bit of time before you apply any makeup or anything over it. I feel like letting it set for a couple of minutes helps this product, because at first it is a little bit, I don't want to say sticky, but it leaves a little bit of a film at first, dries down very quick though. Just give it that time. This has the efficacy of sulfur. It is so effective at treating breakouts in a really gentle, active-free way, not with any potent actives. Sulfur is a more calming ingredient. This product also helped some of my oil production in those zits. I cannot tell you how many times I've struggled with acne and the zits will just look so gross. It will be so oily, so nasty, and this product worked so well to minimalize that. It doesn't get rid of the oil production. Obviously the zit needs to release and get some of that gunk out, but the sulfur in this kind of helped neutralize some of that and performed really well as a primer as well. It's a great spot treatment. They're kind of advertising this as an alternative to pimple patches. I paired the two and they worked really well together. It sped up my pimples even more when I used it like that, so I would recommend it personally. This is a wonderful treatment. I love the texture, I love the delivery, I love everything about it. There's a great price point attached to this. It also is not terribly drying. It definitely is intended to be drying to the zits, and I'd only recommend it using it on acne areas. Very easy to do that though because it is so targeted, but with some sulfur spot treatments in my drier areas, I have had acne there before and they've been way too drying. This definitely wasn't that. It wasn't terribly drying because I think some of the cream aspect of this helped counteract that. Still, if you have more dry skin, I don't know if this would be as beneficial to you. It could be great to clear up some acne, but I feel like it's really designed for oily to combination skin. It was perfect for me, and that's kind of where I lie. I am very combination, but it's a beautiful formula and I would 100% recommend trying it. Honestly, favorite spot treatment I have seen in a while, because so many sulfur spot treatments were ripped off the market, and I've been looking. I've been searching for the next one. When I saw this, I got so excited, and I can safely say all of my hopes were met with this product and all of my expectations this product lived up to. So I would 100% recommend trying it. Honestly, one of the best acne treatments that I think I have ever tried because of the simplicity, because of the delivery, and because of the technology that they use in this. Sulfur is an amazing ingredient, used most simple, and I think they chose the best supporting ingredients in this product to make it an effective, great acne treatment that does not cause any sensitivity. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.